step into a world of knowledge. Log into the Deepseek within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to log into your Deepseek mobile app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Deepseek icon on your home screen. If you haven't downloaded it yet, follow the installation guide first. Once the app opens, choose your login method. You can either log in through your email or your Google account. Now select according to your preference. If you choose the email option, type in your email address and password in the box. After entering your details, tap the login button. And you will be instantly logged into the app and ready to explore. So this is how to log into Deepseek app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.